Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my second video in a novel review. Now I would like to tell you about my novel review, but before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Filza Giardis, and this is my student number. I'm a 5th semester in Department of English Education, and I'm college student from State Islamic University of Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Okay, let me start about my novel review, and the title is Forgiving by Lavera Spencer. In this story, there are four main characters. The first is Sarah, second is Eddie, the third is Noah, and the last is Robert. Okay guys, this is Sarah married. Sarah is the smart and responsible woman. She had been running her father's family since she is 14 years old. She really loved with her sister so much. And it is Eddie. Eddie is a beautiful, spoiled, and also the stubborn woman. Her father really loved Eddie so much. So Eddie doesn't to permit to running his business. And the third is it is a Noah Kapembel. Noah is an army. He is work as a guard in the prostitution place. But actually, Noah always want to go out from this place. And the last is Robert. Robert is a successful businessman. Robert is the kind, handsome, and also rich man. Actually, Robert is friends of Sarah and Eddie when they are child. And okay, the story begins when Sarah decided to move to Deadwood country. Sarah decided to move to that place because Sarah want to found about her sister condition in Deadwood country, and not only to found about her sister, but also Sarah want to running her father's company in Deadwood country. Why? Because of in Deadwood country there is no media social in Deadwood country, and there is no newspaper in Deadwood country. So Sarah decided to build the press company in that place. When Sarah tried to find about her sister in that place, Sarah has many obstacles. First, when Sarah asks Noah Kapemel about her sister, Noah always answered that there is no Eddie in Deadwood country, but Sarah never give up about it. And in the next day, Sarah tried to ask the woman, the name is Rose. Rose is owner of prostitution place, and of course, Rose pretend doesn't know about the Eddie condition and position. And but in the next day, when Sarah tried to meet with Rose in some big house, Sarah meet with the girls, but Sarah not look her face, and Sarah agreed that she is Eddie. When Sarah hold her hand, Sarah look her face that Sarah like she is Eddie, and Sarah tried to hug Eddie, but Eddie rejected, and Eddie met with Sarah, and Eddie asked to Sarah to go away from Deadwood country. Sarah told Eddie that her father was dead, but Eddie unaware about it. And when Sarah back home with a crying, Sarah met with Noah, and Noah told about the truth that Noah know about the Eddie. Actually, Eddie had been changed her name since 8 years ago, became Eve. So Eddie always called Eve in the Deadwood country, and Noah thought that Eddie worked as a bitch or prostitute in Deadwood country. Sarah was very sad and feeling guilty when he heard about it, because he think that he cannot take care her sister. He cannot take care her sister, and also he really angry with herself. And after that, Sarah asks to Noah to help the uh, Adelaide life. But Noah told Sarah that there is not easy because uh, whoever come to prostitution place, they cannot go out what they want. And of course Sarah know about it, and Sarah cannot push Noah to do it. And Noah told about her life and also her work in the prostitution place. Noah thought that he won't leave for his job because of he feeling embarrassed about her family. So Sarah asked to Noah to work with herself as a journalist and to search about uh, new news in the Deadwood country, and uh, Noah accept it. So Noah worked with Sarah as a journalist in Deadwood country, and suddenly they had been falling in love each other, but they don't have bravery to talk about it. Noah doesn't have bravery because uh, Sarah is uh, older than him, and he afraid when he talk love with Sarah, Sarah will stay away from him. So she tried to keep her feeling from Sarah. And after 1 month in the Deadwood country, Sarah had been read a letter from Robert, uh, her friend's childhood, and Robert never replied it. And suddenly, Robert was arrived in the Deadwood country, and Sarah was very surprised plus happy because he can meet with Robert. And Sarah thought about the Eddie condition, that Eddie worked as a bitch in the Deadwood country, and uh, Robert was very sad and also feeling guilty with herself. After that, until one night, Robert decided to meet with the Ross, says the owner of prostitution place. Robert asked the Ross that he wanted with uh, Eddie. He gave a big price and the high price to date with Eddie. So Ross agreed if Eddie date with Robert. So after uh, Eddie wait in some room, uh, after that Robert come to her room and they meet, but Eddie doesn't aware that it is a Robert, her first love in childhood. And when they when she know that it is a Robert, Sarah was I mean Eddie was very surprised and also was very embarrassed because of uh, he worked as a bitch in the Deadwood country. Uh, Eddie tried to stay away and tried to leave room, but uh, Robert hold her hand, and Robert hold her to tell about the truth why he left him 8 years ago. After the condition calm, Sarah told about the truth why he left home when they are uh, start to love each other. So after Robert know about the reason, Robert very sad and also feeling guilty. But actually, Robert still love her so much. After that, Robert proposed her to marry with her, and first Eddie was very confused because he afraid with Ross about it. And after that, uh, Robert give the big price for Ross to leave Eddie married with her and go out from that place. After that, uh, Robert proposed Eddie to marry it, and in the Christmas morning, Sarah was very surprised because he met Eddie and also Eddie in front of her. Sarah hugged and kissed Eddie so much because he is really miss and really love Eddie so much. Sarah apologized to Eddie, and Eddie, uh, Sarah for apologized to Eddie, and Eddie forgives Sarah. And Eddie told Sarah that she will be married with Robert, and Sarah was very happy because it. And after that, Eddie and Robert was married, and after they married, Eddie get pregnant. And after they married, Eddie thought about the real problem and real reason why he left home for 8 years ago. Eddie thought that when he left home because of her father. When her mother was died, her father looked like a prostitution man, and he always look that Eddie is Eddie Eddie as his wife. Her father always asks Eddie to having sex every night, but Sarah never believed about it. Sarah angry with Eddie, and Sarah thought Eddie is a liar. But after that, Robert thought about the real, and Robert thought explanation about it. And finally, Sarah can understand, and also Sarah feeling guilty with herself because she doesn't take care her sister so much because of Sarah always busy with her work in her father's company. And suddenly Sarah was very traumatic because of the explanation. Sarah tried to stay away from Noah, and Noah think that Sarah doesn't love him again. So Noah decided to leave Sarah, but Sarah became very sad because she really loved Noah so much. And after that, Robert told Noah that uh, Sarah still loved him, and Sarah only traumatic and frustrated about the AD explanation why she left home 8 years ago. And after that, Noah can understand about it. So Noah tried to come back to Sarah, and Noah proposed Sarah to marry him. And finally, Sarah accept Noah purpose, and they are married and happily ever after. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm very sorry if I have some mistake actually in my pronunciation, my language, and also for everything. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.